You've already done all the work to shoot the video, edit the video, and upload it to YouTube. You find out there's a mistake in there or something's wrong and you need to edit it. Well, in this video, I will teach you in YouTube quickly how you can edit out anything of your video without having to bring it back to an editor, cancel your upload, and upload it back to YouTube. Don't waste all that time. In this video, I'll teach you quickly how you can edit in seconds in YouTube. And we're getting after it right now. What's up, everybody? This is Jackson Wilkie with the YouTube Agents. Hey, we got a free webinar. It's down in the description below and in the comments if you want to watch exactly how to find the perfect titles, how to use YouTube for real estate, exactly how to optimize videos. Go ahead and click that. Now, let's get into how you edit these videos on YouTube. All right, so let's jump into it. I get this question all the time that people have uploaded a video and they want to be able to take certain parts out and not have to literally cancel the upload or take the video off of YouTube, which is what I used to do until I figured out this trick, and then bring it to their editor, resave it, all of that stuff. So there's a really cool thing in the YouTube Studio that allows you to just take stuff out. So let's jump into that. We're going to get over here to the Chrome tab. All right, so here we are. You're going to be at your home screen. What you want to do is go right up here to the top, hit your icon, and you're going to go right to the YouTube Studio. So what this is going to do is bring up your dashboard. And everything you need is always on the left here. So what you're going to do is click videos. So go to videos. You're going to select the video you want. So let's just say it's this first one here. You just uploaded it. I've actually had this happen to me. And someone's like, hey, man, at minute 4:40, you cuss in there. And you're like, dang it, edit that out. True story. So I didn't want to have to do all this crap. So I learned how to do this. And I want to teach you. So go to your details right here, the little pencil. It's going to bring up this individual video. From there, right here on the left, you just go to editor and boom, there we are. So I'm just going to pick a random spot. Let's say right here at 3 minutes, 52 seconds. I need to cut about 3 seconds out. Or maybe I just actually had a client in our group say that the last 2 minutes, it had just some weird tail that was black and no music, no sound, no nothing. And he wanted to get that off there. Wherever that is, you just click. So let's just say right here, for instance, though, at 4 minutes, 33 seconds, there's 3 seconds in here, or a half a second, or 10 seconds you want to get rid of. What you're going to do is just select where you want it, and you can listen right here. You have your play button. That actually debunks that, but I did talk. Okay, so you can hear exactly where you want to be, and all you do is just go right here to trim. So you go to trim. This is actually kind of tricky if you're not like ready for it. You'll mess up a few times. So what you do is just go to split. So you hit split clip, right? Now you can listen to it, or if you know exactly where you want to be, you can drag it there. But what we're going to do is just listen to it. Talk about how many Californians are moving here, why it is increasing, rents and mortgages. Okay, so I know I don't want to edit this, but let's say I just heard that's exactly where I want it to edit. If it's not exactly, you can kind of drag this playhead to like right where you want it. And what you're going to do is actually, instead of hitting split or any of that, that's what happens. You'll kind of mess around. You actually see how it turns into an arrow? You just drag. Now it creates this gap, right? If you hit this X, it looks like that would get rid of that, but it doesn't. It actually says undo the split, so it's going to go back to normal. I messed with this for a little while. So what you actually want to do first and foremost is go right here to preview, and it's going to play it for you once you drag this head. So now it's going to eliminate that, whatever, 3 seconds. It actually debunks that, but I did talk. It's just nationwide. Yeah, it jumped right there. So that would cut out exactly what you don't want in your video. And once you're done with that, you're looking for like, where do I save this? What I do? You actually have to scroll up, hit save. When you do that, now you have a brand new video. You've gotten rid of everything you need to. I don't want that. If you messed up, just go back to edit trim and clear all. Okay, that got rid of it. My video's back to normal, so you're good to go, and then you can go back in and change it how you want. Now, if you want to know exactly how to use YouTube for real estate, there's a free webinar down below in the description and the comments. Make sure you click on that. If you want more information on our YouTube agency that does everything for you, go ahead, shoot us an email, or go to the YouTubeagents.com. And now you're seeing a bunch of videos pop up. Go ahead, start clicking on those to learn exactly how you can grow your YouTube channel. Once you do that, you'll be well on your way. Until the next video, we'll catch you later.